Creating bevels can be a lot faster, easier, and more precise than this. Introducing a better way. The RIDGID B500 Transportable Pipe Beveler. Its compact design easily mounts to the end of pipes and flat plate, allowing the operator to set up and create uniform bevels quickly and accurately in a single pass. A rugged cutting head bevels pipe without flame or sparks. The land depth can be easily adjusted to meet the job requirement. Interchangeable heads allow you to cut bevels at 30 degrees, 37.5 degrees, and 45 degrees. On pipe up to 1/2 inch thick and 4 inches and up in diameter, and on flat plates up to 1/2 inch thick. Speed monitoring with indicator lights keep the beveler moving at an optimal pace. Now you can easily achieve fast, accurate, and consistent bevels in one pass. Save valuable time and produce high-quality results with the new RIDGID B500 Transportable Pipe Beveler. Request a free on-site demo at rigid.com/beveler.